Hello everyone, this is Fabrizio at Judge.me and welcome to our monthly product update. You might have noticed, if you logged in recently, a brand new navigation. We spoke to dozens of users and we've redesigned it to be cleaner, simpler and much easier to find what you need, whether that's setting up a widget, customize your email or managing your reviews. And we're happy to say that we released it to 100% of our users. Now, this month, we've released quite a few interesting things. We've built a brand new automation that lets you trigger a store review request right after a product review is submitted. And to make things even more interesting and help you collect more reviews, for the first time ever, store reviews are now available on the free plan. We've also added a new option to display a customer support contact request before a shopper submits a negative reviews. And this is to give you a chance to resolve the issue first. You'll now see a live preview for the review widget, so any change will now appear instantly on screen, making customization easier than ever. And finally, we have ensured full compatibility with the Shopify Horizon theme. Now, before we dive in, one quick announcement. We're hosting our very first Judge.me Summit. It's packed with industry insight, and we're going to speaking with experts on reviews, artificial intelligence, search engine optimization, e-commerce technology. It's definitely one event that you don't want to miss. So register today. The link is in the description. And now let's get into the updates.
Here are two new features you can use to improve your email flows. You can now collect store reviews automatically, without adding any extra steps to your customer's journey. And you can let customers reach out before leaving a low-star rating. This helps prevent negative reviews and makes it easier for merchants to resolve issues directly. Both features are available to all users. To set up your automatic store review collection, head to Settings, then Widgets, and click on the Customize button below Write a Review. Scroll until you find this request checkbox, and simply select it, then hit Save. Now let's see how it looks for your customers. As customers finish writing their product review, the store review request is triggered immediately, right after submission. Now, the buyer can leave extra information about their experience with your brand, such as customer care and delivery timings. Located just underneath the store review toggle, you'll also find the option to show help before a negative review is submitted. Set your threshold, and this will now give you a final opportunity to resolve any issues with the customer's order. This addition helps reduce negative reviews and offers support to any potentially frustrated shoppers. Best of all, it's enabled in one click and works across email, web, and QR code collection. One of our most exciting feature releases is for our widgets. You can now preview any customizations to the review widget in real time, so you won't make any blind changes before publishing. Also, we're happy to say that all of our widgets are fully compatible with Shopify's latest theme, Horizon. When you head to your review widget, you'll see that the new editor is organized into collapsible sections, keeping the layout clean and easy to use. From here, every change you make will show up immediately on the preview, showing you exactly as it will on your store. This includes the color, the type of reviews shown, and text options. You can preview the widget with either sample data or your live reviews, so you'll always know exactly how it looks. We've got a total of 5 new integrations, including Revo, Webrix Studios, and Grapevine Surveys. To find out what they do and more, head to our directory by clicking the link in the description.